And tonight we'll be teaching you how to install and configure a server which is well known as Red Hat. Red Hat is an American multimillionaire Linux distribution started in 1993 in North Carolina, So yeah, let's get started tonight, and let's get started. Okay, as you see here, I'm running Ubuntu 14.0. You have to find the ISO. Burn the Red Hat ISO on a DVD. If you have Windows, you use a program called Windows 32. Or if you have Ubuntu or Linux distribution, you just go to here. Okay, let me zoom in. You wanna go to open with writer, look for the device, external device, here. You click on it, and then you press start restoring, and then it's gonna burn. Okay, I already have it burned there. You can see it's gonna run the partition. Okay, now let's cut the PC off. You're gonna cut it off and leave the USB stick here plugged in. Okay, let me plug it off. I'm turning it off manually. Okay, can you see it's off? There's a USB. Here's the USB stick I told you guys about. I got a 16 drive. Okay, we plug it back in. We plug it back in. Look back at the screen. Screen's go. We turn the PC back on. We're on the keyboard. We're gonna press F12. I'm pressing F12. You see? Okay. We got there. SATA, USB, SATA 2, USB. Hit enter. A prompt is gonna come out. On my desktop it says F1 to continue. Okay, we're in it. So you have several options. You can install it Red Hat right away, or you can test it and install Red Hat, or you can do a troubleshooting. But we're just gonna go in and install. It's gonna start up there. Any time now. Okay, there it goes. Okay, it's going. Yeah, it's going there. Slotting the kernel. Starting the installer. Starting the installer. You can see starting okay. Now here, welcome to Red Hat Enterprise Linux. I'm gonna go English. Your keyboard. I hit continue. And this one we have mirror prompt. Report a bug. Okay, I'll fix that right in a minute now. Okay, get away. Okay, we're back. As some news was told that Red Hat has a bug, very serious bug, and so we have to bear with it. Here we're prompted 4 different screens. Okay, you want to go to software selection. Here you have the types of servers: minimum install, infrastructure server, file and print server, basic server, virtualization host, server with GUI in this tutorial. Okay, what I want backup server, DNS, directory, email, FTP, file. I want to skip this, get to Java, balancer, and the print, oh sorry, not that, and the print server. In here, okay, it's not there. We go on top, it says done. Now it's checking software for software dependencies. But while that is doing, let's go to the network. Don't forget to do this. It's very important. Installation is off. You always switch it on. See, it picks up an IP, local IP address, and you press done. Now you go to the disk. See, I have two, but I already have redhat installed. So we're gonna go like that. And done, and then begin installation. Okay, and I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, after installation you'll be prompted with this login screen, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna put in my password. Okay, as you see, redhat comes with different desktop environments, and Linux is very, very important in desktop environments for your personality, they say. Linux people, you never understand them. Well, I'm gonna go with GNOME. I'm gonna hit sign in. Okay, now for the tricky parts. Until it's signed in. Okay, there we go. It's running GNOME 3.8 or their latest version. I haven't been keeping up with GNOME lately. I've been almost a Unity guy right now. So yeah, first thing I'm gonna go for is these two things: terminal and what else after the terminal? And then we'll look for Firefox. The first thing we're going to install is called Apache. Apache is very vital for it. Okay, no. Okay, before we go to the web browser, we need to install Apache first. When installing Apache, you're going to type okay, let me explain this that in Ubuntu, in Red Hat, CentOS, and Fedora, the yellow dog dependency, yellow dog, is for Yum, they call it yellow dog, modified, is that installer. It works, but in Red Hat, it has a currently big bug. Cause see, normally I would put Yum -y install HTTPD. It's supposed to go down. Okay, root. So I put it in root in. Okay. So the camera come on. Hurry up. Okay, we're in root. Now let's write it again. It should be Yum -y install HTTPD. That's for Apache. Go. Stops. Nothing to do. SIB own cloud community. Weird. What own cloud have to do with it? So what I found a patch. What I do, we're gonna go to the web browser. I'm gonna put in Google webmin. You can see, oh, so I forgot to be webmin. There it is, webmin. webmin. What is webmin? Webmin is an interface, the server web interface. You install it, and we can install Apache and all the rest of them inside of it through it. So, how to find on the web page, how to find which patch should be for your system. If you're on CentOS, Fedora, or Red Hat, you would go to Downloads, tar, RPM suitable for Red Hat, Fedora, and CentOS, Zeus, and Mandrake. You're gonna hit download. It's downloading to get a SourceForge. It's gonna download. If it's downloading, see the RPM. Okay, I already have it. You save the file. What's happening? You save the file, and then you come here. I have it here ready. So okay. Username webmin on cloud. Webmail. Okay. Okay. After you just run it like a normal app, like it would be a .exe on Windows. Okay. It would run, and after you finish installing, here's where the good part. Okay, I'm gonna put this camera down now. Finally, you install it. Okay, turn this ready. You're gonna go to your other computer. Can close, make that smaller. You can come either way, and you want to come here, and then you want to look for 192.168 dot 101 port 10,010. Okay, 10,000. Press enter. Okay, it's going to. But I really don't think that's 101. Anyway, let's go. It's going. Lag, sorry for lag. Okay. Oops. Let's refresh the page. Okay, I have a new type config here. Let me fix it. I'll fix it right now. Okay, we got it fixed. Everything's a go now. We're almost there. Reinstall it. Benefit installation. Oh, sorry about this. No server config. Okay. Right now, I'll fix it. Goodness. Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. It wasn't 101. It was on my local server. Local router, sorry. It was 100. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna click on it, don't worry about HTTPS, you can fix that later. Okay. Sorry, got the cameras on. Proceed. We will put proceed anyways. Okay. This is always your root. Is always going to be your root password and username. I'm going to go ahead and put root in there and my password, none of your business. And log in. So as you see, for the site, we're running server name operating system Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, webmin version 1.6.9, time on the CPU, kernel and CPU Linux and RHEL. Okay, different specs. And then we have the cluster, the in-use models. All of them you can go ahead and install afterwards. And here we have the cluster. Now they have the hardware. Then we have the networking, the Linux firewall, and DHCP monitoring. Okay, we have the servers. This is where everything gets tricky. But this is going to be on our second video, because this video is getting kind of long. Yeah. So, show you one more thing. On the sidebar here, you're going to see this child assist system. You look for software packages. And depends on how much repositories you have on your computer, this will come up here. So I have rpmfind.net installed. So let's say I'm looking for Apache. So there it is. Apache, Apache. Most widely used for web server on the internet. There we go. Then we just hit here. And we want to go from HTTP URL, install, it's downloading. This is a much easier way to do it Red Hat 7, because Red Hat 7 has a bit of error right now until they fix that bug. Don't worry about those guys. More dependencies, overwrite files, overwrite packages, overwrite everything. Please continue. Oh yes. I'm going to hit install. Installing. It's installing. Okay, it's installed successfully. GDPD, everything is working at ease. See, this package contains binary of Apache powerful featured. Okay, we got Apache installed so far. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to install the other ones. Okay, so this is all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, comment. Peace.